Hello everyone, today we all are going to discuss about The Lamb and the Tiger by William Blake. Friends, these two poems are separate and we are discussing it in one video because these two poems have a comparison by the poet. So let's start with the first poem, The Lamb. This poem comes under the collection Songs of Innocence. In this poem, a human kid is talking to a lamb in which at first he asks it some questions and then answers the question by himself. This poem is symbolized to Lord Jesus and he is called the Lamb. The little kid asks the lamb about who made him, who gave him this life, who taught him to feed himself by the stream and over the grass. Now child is asking him who gave him the woolly soft clothing of bright wool and who gave him the soft voice that makes all the valley very happy and glad. At the last of the stanza, kid is again asking about the creator of the lamb and then tells the lamb that he will be able to answer the creation or answer the question by himself. Now little kid answers his own questions by saying that the creator is a lamb only, for it means the creator calls himself the lamb. The creator is gentle and soft who came on earth in the form of a little child and calls himself a lamb. Therefore, at last he says that they both are called by the goat's name and blesses the little lamb. Means at last of the poem, child answered every question and having the common answer God, the child says that a God calls himself a lamb and he came on the earth as a little child. Therefore, the little kid and a lamb are both God's name. So here the poem ends and the main theme of the poem are praising of Jesus, that is praising of God and describing the qualities of God of what he gave and done for the humanity. In this poem or through this poem, poet is describing the qualities of God and how God has done many successful works, many bright works for the benefit of humanity. Now let's discuss about the second poem, The Tiger. So the poem was written in 1794 under the collection Songs of Experience. In this poem, the tiger is a symbolic word and according to the poem, tiger is a beautiful creature having orange colored bright strips which look like the burning bright creature in the dark forest at night. Here is the phrase the burning bright, which is used to describe the power and strength of the tiger. Then poet praises the creator and asks that who and of what kind of immortal hands and eyes made the tiger like the dangerous and fearful creature. He also questions how the tiger was made and through immortal eyes and hands he means and describes the God. Poet then asks that the fire in the tiger's eyes came from which place, giving the suggestion of hell and heaven. Here deeps and skies are heaven and hell. Poet then asks how the creator visited the distinct hell and heaven, saying that what kind of wings God used to catch the fire. He then asks about the strength the creator gained while creating tiger to capture the dangerous fire in the hands. The poet says and praises the art and carvings of the god who distinctively made the hurt and its sinews. He praises the creator that he must be having very strong art and soldier. Then poet adds that when tiger's heart starts beating, how much dread and dangerous the hands and feet of the tigers become. Therefore, the creator must needed a lot of strength and power to make the tiger. Now, Blake compares the creator with the blacksmith, saying that in what furnace tiger's brain was kept and stored, after which it was beaten with hammer and chains. He adds that how strongly the creator has holded the tiger on the anvil with his grasp. Then he exaggerates that while the tiger was being created, the stars also left their weapons and cried in the heaven, filling it with tears. So the poet asks whether the creator became happy on creating the tiger. Also he asks with a doubt if the creator of the tiger is the one who has created the lamb. At the very last, poet repeats the starting lines that tiger is a beautiful creature having orange colored brights which look like the burning bright creature in dark forest at night. At the very last, the poet symbolizes the tiger in the way that God can make dangerous and worse creatures also with the innocent ones. So from this whole poem, The Tiger, poet is describing the versatility of God that how God can create the two different kinds of creatures at the same time. For example, the lamb, who is a symbol of innocence, and on the other hand, the tiger, who is the symbol of experience or dangerous or dreadful condition. The tiger has so much scary qualities which God has given him, like the tiger has bright eyes in which there was a budding bright fire which is immortal. The tiger also had strong nails and strong feet and hands. Tigers also have the orange colored bright stripes which look like burning bright creature in the dark forest and night. So these are all the qualities of the tiger which the creator or the God has given him. So this is all about the today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my explanation for the two poems. And now let's take leave, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Stay blessed and keep learning.